I'll be using this type of a seal instead of a wax ring. These are easier to work with and they're not messy. And here are the tank parts. I have the new wax-free gasket in place. The bowl is in place. You can see these 4 little depressions in here. They are to fit little rubber bumpers to keep the tank from moving. Those have long disappeared. So what I'm going to be using are faucet washers instead. I placed them bevel end down. This is the tank to bowl gasket for the Eljer toilet that has the China flush valve. It just sits right here. The 1952 Eljer has been installed, but the water hasn't been turned on yet. I'm going to fill the tank, but I'm going to keep the refill tube out so that the first flush will be with a dry bowl, so you can see the jet action, if any. The tank is full and the bowl refill tube has been inserted back into the overflow tube. I'll adjust this water level up later on. Now let's see what happens when we flush this. You can see action from both the siphon jet and the L-Vortex jet when I flushed with the dry bowl. There's no sign of any leaks, which is encouraging. What you're seeing down there is shadowing. The water level is about where I want it. Now let's try this again. Very nice. First, a little bit of background information before I do the paper test. I've had this toilet for 19 years. I got it for nothing because the bottom of the bowl around the horn was filled up with something that looked just like concrete. Turned out it was just plumber's putty. The owners of the salvage shop just let me take it in case it was a failure and I had to throw it out. But I was able to save it. It came with a generic hardware store type handle, which we all love to hate, and I happen to have this genuine Eljer handle that came, believe it or not, on a standard ejecto tank. So anyway, I was able to find the proper lever for this toilet. Let's try 10 wads of toilet paper. Now let's see how the Eljer Duplex handles the paper. All gone. The setup of the 1952 Eljer Duplex is complete. Everything works right, there were no leaks. I expect this will be the final installation in here this season. So I'll conclude this video with one final flush of the 1952 Eljer Duplex. Thank you for watching.